9 days until we're kicking off the 58 marathon, so we're staying with Ryan and Courtney. And Ryan is loading up the ultimate breakfast burger. What makes it the ultimate?
Patented it. Well, it's got turkey, bacon, 2 eggs, cheddar cheese, avocado, everything but the kitchen sink.
You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. And then we got a nice little coffee and a supplement stack, so it's going to be delicious.
You like it crispy or not as crispy?
I like that. That's pretty good.
Go like this.
So the key is also building it as
Layering
you go.
it. You gotta layer it.
I like that.
That perfectly placed.
Oh. I've never seen a dog so sit so well.
600 for one like the same size.
Just trying to organize our van, which we've got to pick up in Seattle in 3 days, and I've gone through the voucher here and I've realized it says fill out this form no less than 14 days from picking it up. I missed that one. I didn't read it well. We've got 3 days, so now I've got to give them a call and we will see how it goes. Hopefully we can figure it out. There's been no answer. I was on hold and then nothing, so I'm just going to fill the form out as if it is 14 days and fingers crossed it works. In the meantime, we're going to watch these onboarding videos.
On the road videos.
Welcome to Cruise America
All
and
right.
Cruise Canada, where exploring the open road just keeps getting better. Every RV key we provide, gently lower the table onto the support rails to create a flat surface. Then insert the table leg into
Yes. Ryan's just made us, what are these ones called?
The Mega Matcha Super Protein Shake.
Yum.
water tank fill.
Got it sorted. We've got the van sorted. We're going to be in Seattle for one night, and then we've just booked our campsite where we're going to test out the van, and then we head to Alaska, so we've got parking booked. And we're good to go. Today is a rest day, which is going to be awesome, so we'll go through a stretch soon. I'll show you the YouTube list that I've built that I'm going to just follow their stretches, but we do have some boxes here, which is going to be clothing, and a lot of our other stuff is at the RV park, so let's have a little look in. All right, this is now number 2. What I did do that I shouldn't have done, this was meant to go to Seattle, in freaking Nashville. So we've got a lot of gels to run with. Finally, we've got to the one that we want to be at. Is that I cannot wait to run in this belt.
Oh, I thought it was a J-string.
Could be. It's gonna be nice to run in. It's a cool pink. We've got a few little drink bottles. We've got to stay hydrated, very important. All right, so we are off. We're gonna go get Liam comfortable with the drone and probably a little bit more comfortable with myself. Decked out in new LSKD gear. This puffer jacket, extremely warm. From here, we're then going to go see Justin, who's been on the podcast, runs Athlos Gym here in Nashville. Going to go catch up, hang out, have a sauna. It's going to be amazing, and this never sticks to the roof. Let's do it. We didn't get the drone up. There was a IMU, like alert thing flashing on the phone, which means it needed to be calibrated. And unfortunately, we didn't have time to calibrate it because we have a 3 o'clock sauna with Justin. So we'll get that tomorrow. We'll calibrate it in the kitchen bench, hopefully. And then we'll be back out for take 2, but lucky we tested that now. You probably need to get some gummies, don't you? In America, you can get weed gummies. We were a big fan of them last year. I obviously haven't done a gummy for over 12 months. I did all of last year sober, from alcohol and obviously gummies. And I won't have another gummy until after this run is done. Maybe, we'll see. The thing in America is you do all your public parking like this. Liam's getting that done. We're in Athlos Gym, home of the great JT, and we'll show you around in a little bit. We're just waiting for him to finish with a client.
Oh, he is a pig in the shit. That thing eats human turds.
Got the lid off. Yeah, even just yeah. Favorite part, sauna with the boys.
Love you. Days in 58 states. I'd love to know how many times you've said that as well, Lockie. That'd be
Too many. It's a tongue twister.
Complimenting that as well, which is a great way for everybody to get involved. Is the Yeah Buddy 58-day challenge, where we'll put the call out there for anybody who wants to support, whether they're donating or just want to get involved and set their own challenge. There's also the Yeah Buddy challenge outside of that, which I'll go into more detail soon. The fundraising goal of $100,000, we're currently a tick over halfway to getting there. So as of yesterday afternoon, there was $55,261 raised, which is amazing considering we haven't even started, and the project will essentially go for about 2 months. The website, Lockie, can I share my screen? In the first few days of next week, as we get close to the 22nd, we've set a pretty high mark of what have we got to 500, which would be amazing. We'll see how we go in the next week or so, but we've already got 60 odd. I'd love to get to 100 by the end of the weekend.
Guys, I forgot to give you the update. You saw a bit of the meeting with the sponsors. It went really well. Everyone's on the same page. So as of the 20th, we're going to be getting all the sponsors to blast out to their email lists and get the word out, which would be awesome. So as of now, I'm just editing one. We're watching the football. Rams versus Vikings, and unfortunately, the Vikings are getting their ass kicked. So that's enough for today. We'll check back in tomorrow. Tomorrow I've got a hard interval session, so we'll go down to the track, and I'm probably going to get a weight session in as well. So it's going to be good fun. We'll see you tomorrow.